Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to draw oval shape in Outlook. So let's start it. At first open your document. Firstly going to the insert menu option and click for the drawing option and click for the shape option. Then draw a shape, oval shape. Then click for the shape option. Shape color is the shape fill option. Then choose color option. Then click for the save and close. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.